happen to like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, share, notification, and any other button you can possibly think of. Oh, I'm coming out of my blackout. Hello, my YouTube friends. Today, I want to talk about my, you would not believe this, stupidly tragic journey with YouTube and my channels. Now, I started out originally about 6 years ago with YouTube. It was always a guitar channel. It was just called Justin Chapman, that's my name. And I had this channel for about 6 years. I was doing it for about 1.5 years, uploaded loads of videos, well, about 50, 60 videos or something. And then I got a bit discouraged and gave up. And I didn't touch the channel for probably a good 4.5 years. And unfortunately, I have a sister who's a bit of a meddling Scooby-Dooer, I'm afraid. And she was using my content as a weapon to hurt me. Now, if you've got any family members or anyone like that that's using your content as a weapon, they're just arseholes, basically. Don't let them ruin your channel, because I had 238 subscribers and that channel's gone and all them subscribers are gone, and I've had nothing but trouble since. I started a new channel that was doing okay. It was about 2 or 3 weeks old, but unfortunately I listened to the demons inside my head. Oh, I'm not good enough. Oh, nobody likes you, and all that jazz. And I deleted that channel. I started another channel, and stupidly, and don't you guys do this, there's a company called Fiverr, right? And I actually paid for YouTube promotion. I paid nearly £100 for 2 guys in America to do promotion on my channel. And the only thing I got out of it was fake subscribers, fake likes, and fake numbers. Now, what this inevitably did, I believe, a week ago, I discovered that my channel had been removed by YouTube. Now, I don't actually know what the hell happened, because my content on my channel was exactly the same as what had been on previous channels. I took the videos, I saved them on an external hard drive, and I just basically, channel to channel, I just reloaded those videos back up. It's the same videos, nothing's different. You know, you upload a video and you get maybe copyright strike or something. Well, it's not a strike, but it's like the little copyright thing, because you're playing along with a backing track or something. But it doesn't say it's a strike on your channel. That's the only thing, really. The only thing I can think of is it's, you know, the YouTube promotion, which actually, apparently, I saw a video, this goes against terms and conditions. And again, what? Sub for sub? This goes against terms and conditions as well. And that's the only thing I can possibly think why my channel was removed. Now, I have to give a massive shout out to this subscriber. This subscriber right here. Because he subscribed to my first channel. He subscribed to my second channel. He subscribed to my third channel that got removed. And I've only just found out, literally minutes ago, that he's subscribed again, bless him. This guy is my rock. I don't know him. He's never commented on any of my material, but he is now subscribed to 4 of my channels, all guitar channels, but with different names. So bless him. I give you a massive shout out, my friend, because you've actually shocked the hell out of me. That you're probably wondering what's going on. You know, I subscribed to this channel and then all of a sudden it's gone. Where's the channel gone? Is he blocking me? Is he wiping me? Is he like saying screw you or something? That just isn't the case. I've just had so much bad luck with YouTubers late. It's just, and it's just, yeah. So, with that being said, my friends, if you want to hook me up down in the comments below, if you've had any kind of YouTube problems and it's just sent you around the twist and you've deleted a channel and started again and deleted, or you've had your channel removed by YouTube and you don't have a Scooby what's going on, hook me up down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and all the craziness that goes along with it. On a PS note, with these previous channels, I used a site called TubeBuddy that I also paid out multiple times as well on my channels, and they're asking for the URL for refunds and cancellations and all that on that previous channel. How do I give a URL on a channel that doesn't exist? I don't know. I don't know about that. But all I do know is I don't want to carry on paying for the rest of my life, because it's an automatic renewal on the subscription year after year, dead money to TubeBuddy for a channel that doesn't even exist. So with that being said, my friends, bye.